Alright guys, this is your DIY video for 8.8b. It is the last DIY for this project. So unit assessment is coming up soon. Hope everybody's ready for that. And we're going to write a real-world problem when given the equation or inequality. So let's take a look at some examples as to what that means. Alright, so which situation can be represented by the equation 2x plus 150 equals 5x? So we have to analyze each situation to see which one would best match. So A says Mary has 5 stamps and buys 150 stamps each week. Well, that situation is not going to work because 150 stamps each week, I would need my variable to go with the 150 because it is asking me when will Marty have more stamps than Mary. So I know that that is not going to work. B says Mary has 2 stamps and buys 150 stamps each week. Once again, 150, it stands alone. So that's like I'm starting out with 150 stamps and I'm not buying one each week. So B would be thrown out because of that. So far I've eliminated A, I've eliminated B. So let's take a look at C. Mary has 150 stamps. Alright, so I have 150 stamps. That could be a possible answer. And buys 5 stamps each week. But that's not going to work out because the 5 stamps each week here stands alone. It's not attached to the 150 stamps at all. So I'm going to throw out C because that's not a possible answer choice. So I'm pretty sure D is my answer, but let's look at it and make sure that it all goes together. So Mary has 150 stamps. Oopsie. We have 150 stamps, and we buy 2 stamps each week. So that does represent my equation. So I have 150 stamps, and I'm going to buy 2 stamps each week. And means add, remember. And each week is the 2 stamps each week. Each week is my variable. Nick has no stamps, so I have nothing added here to this side of the equation, but he buys 5 stamps each week. When will they have the same number of stamps? So D matches my equation, and that is my answer choice. So now let's take a look at number 2, that deals with inequalities. So which situation can be represented by the inequality 15x is greater than 12x plus 100? So we're going to do the same situation and analyze each answer to see which one makes the most sense. So I'm looking for the left side of the inequality to be greater than the right side of the inequality. So let's look and see what goes with what. I'm going to start looking at F first. Juanita saves $15 each week. Dan has already saved $100 and saves $12 each week. When will Juanita have less money? So I know that Juanita is on my left side. Here's my good old friend Juanita. Juanita's on the left side and Dan's on the right side. And it says that Juanita has less money saved than Dan. Well, I have Juanita greater than Dan, so F would not be an answer choice for that reason. Let's take a look at G. Juanita saves $12 each week. Well, no, I already know that's not right because Juanita's on my left, and I have Juanita at $15 a week. So, bam, not it. Let's take a look at H. Juanita saves $15 each week. Okay, that's where I am on the left side. Dan has already saved $100, so that's my plus 100, and he saves $12 each week. So when will Juanita have more money saved than Dan? So that's greater than. So Juanita is greater than Dan. When will Juanita have more money, which is greater? So H is looking pretty good. I'm going to put a question mark by it, but I'm going to still look at J. Juanita saves $12 each week. Well, I can throw that one out right away because Juanita needs to save $15 and therefore J is my answer. Please go take a look at the evidence and give it a shot so you can be successful on the progress check. If you have any questions, ask for a workshop or set up a time for tutoring with one of your great math teachers. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.